FinDock is the payment management solution for anyone using Salesforce as their source of invoicing, subscription, membership, or donation data. Born from the belief that payments are a customer-centric process and as such should be managed from the heart of the customer profile in CRM, we have been extending the Salesforce platform for over a decade with online and offline payment capabilities. Our impact is in enabling organizations in all industries to work more customer-centric with data-driven personalized payment experiences for the front end, while at the same time optimizing back-office operations for higher effectiveness and efficiency, leading to lower costs, improved cash flow, and higher data quality. In this video, we'd like to show you how FinDock supports our fictitious business, Green Shops, with their customer journey by taking a look at 5 core processes: online payments and donations, recurring payments, dunning and credit control, bank file matching, and outbound payments. Here we can see an invoice Green Shops prepared for their customer Edge Communications. While we have included a QR code for them to scan, in this case, Rachel, the CEO of Edge Communications, chooses to make this payment through the Green Shops customer portal. Opening the unpaid invoice allows Rachel to click the Pay Now button, opening up the checkout page. And while this is an invoice in euro, FinDock enables Green Shops to provide the same service in any currency across a wide variety of geographical regions, each with their own specific payment methods. After Rachel has completed the payment, the invoice in Salesforce is marked as paid in real time, triggering confirmations, thank you messages, or fulfillment processes to start right away. And of course, because an Experience Cloud community is based on that same data, the customer portal also reflects the accurate status of the invoice. FinDock includes functionality specifically for online donations as well. Green Shops has partnered with Complex Planet, a non-profit with a focus on solving complex problems like nature preservation. And as part of that partnership, they ask customers to make a donation to the Save the Rhino project. Rachel is actually already a recurring donor, but decides to make an additional donation nonetheless. Complex Planet uses a FinDock giving page as the landing page for this campaign. After selecting the amount and entering her information, she selects credit card as her payment method of choice. When authorization is complete, she is directed to the thank you page. Just like with an invoice payment, the information is updated in Salesforce in real time, enabling Complex Planet to immediately respond with a thank you message. Access to the entire donor profile powers true personalization, giving Complex Planet the opportunity to further strengthen the relationship by not only thanking Rachel for her most recent donation, but also referencing the fact that she is a recurring donor already. FinDock online payments and donation handling enables organizations to create payment pages for both invoices and donations quickly and easily using point-and-click configuration, empowering lightning-fast adoption of new payment methods and easy A/B testing with different page designs and content. The real-time registration of payments with automatic deduplication and auto-reconciliation enables the immediate triggering of follow-up processes such as thank you and fulfillment flows. And since FinDock creates Salesforce native data, all standard Salesforce functionality around reporting, dashboards, and process automation can be used when processing these payments. Managing recurring payments directly from Salesforce creates a single source of data where updates to a recurring payment, like this amount change, don't rely on complicated synchronization logic but take effect immediately. The start of ongoing recurring collections is to schedule the runs using the recurring payment schedules. In this case, we have scheduled a monthly SEPA direct debit run, but this can be set to anything from daily to once a year as needed. FinDock automatically shifts collection and submission dates based on processing and non-processing days like Saturday and Sunday, ensuring you will always be on time with your submissions. Every individual run is represented by a payment schedule, showing the progress of the run and giving finance controllers insight into the number and amount of included transactions, the status of the process as a whole, and access to the raw collections file. And the same interface is available for all types of recurring payments, including recurring card runs, for instance. Recurring payment management with FinDock puts finance and credit controllers in full control of the fully automatable collection process. Through extensive validation at both point of entry and during processing, FinDock ensures data transferred to processors is fully compliant with the relevant payment scheme and method. Managing the entire chain on one platform without having to switch between applications, no more complex synchronizations, in-depth insight into the status of the process at any stage, and the ability to process hundreds of thousands of records without issue is why finance users love working with FinDock. Following up on failed or incomplete payments the right way is an essential part of nurturing a good customer relationship. Take this example of a reversed direct debit. Based on the report from the bank, FinDock has automatically added a negative payment to cancel out the initial successful collection and has now marked this transaction as reversed with a reason code indicating insufficient funds on the customer's bank account. This action triggered an automated decision process combining a variety of factors like total customer value, duration of relationship, and reason for failure to determine the correct action to take. In this case, an email is sent to the customer informing them of the situation and, crucially, offering a quick way to remedy the missed payment. Using FinDock Pay links, the customer can quickly pay for the outstanding amount using their preferred payment method, including Google Pay and Apple Pay. After authorization, the customer sees the confirmation message, and in Salesforce, the payment is automatically reconciled against the payable amount, and the invoice is closed at paid, without anyone at GreenShops having to interfere. With FinDock, organizations are able to focus on delivering a compelling and personalized payment experience for their customers, even around failed and missed payments. With pixel-perfect and responsive payment pages offering frictionless payments for their customers, and real-time registration and reconciliation of completed payments in Salesforce, enabling a quick turnaround in follow-up and confirmation messages. All while keeping the right people up to date using reports and dashboard functionality across every aspect of the process. Bank transfer also remains a consistently popular payment method. But contrary to what we have seen so far, reconciliation for these payments can be a challenge since remittance information is set by the debtor. To help organizations reduce the time spent on matching bank and other externally processed payments, such as fundraising platforms, deduction at source, or point-of-sale transactions, FinDock includes a comprehensive and highly configurable matching system called guided matching. From the final payment on an already partially paid invoice like this, to matching a single transaction against multiple invoices based on invoice reference recognition and automatic allocation against invoices in order of age. Guided matching is able to quickly and efficiently identify the key elements for matching. If results are ambiguous, like in this example where the same IBAN is found twice, FinDock will present a list of possible options to the user, helping to quickly resolve the dilemma and match the transaction accurately. All in all, guided matching is designed to make the matching process as efficient as possible, using configurable rule sets to take the current business process and automate it, standardize processing scenarios, and reduce errors. leading to massive increases in effectiveness and operational efficiencies, as well as overall higher data quality. Whether it's paying your suppliers or refunding an order to a customer, FinDock helps organizations streamline their outbound payment process by initiating credit transfers directly from Salesforce. Here, Green Shops needs to refund a previously invoiced and paid order. By creating a refund, the system prepared an outbound payment, which can directly be included in a credit transfer run or send off for approval first. Just like with collections, FinDock payment schedules give the finance department full control over the credit transfer process. By ensuring business policy compliance through approval flows and facilitating immutable data between Salesforce and the bank through hash calculations, FinDock ensures an auditable, secure, and compliant process for handling outbound payments. Ensure outbound payment runs are executed on time through automation and safeguard successful delivery of every payment with built-in data quality validation. And because everything is managed from Salesforce, there is one central place to view all relevant audit information, such as approval and transaction details. Overall, FinDock helps organizations be more flexible, efficient, and customer-centric when it comes to payments, helping you deliver amazing results for both front and back office in personalization, efficiency, and cash flow optimization. With FinDock, every payment your customer makes is an opportunity to strengthen your relationship with them. For more information or to get in touch, visit findock.com.